Have you ever wondered how dirty money gets cleaned? No, not a trip to the laundry, but an intricate process that veils the illicit origins of ill-gotten wealth, transforming it into seemingly legitimate funds. Welcome to the shadowy world of money laundering. Let's journey back to the early 90s to one of the most infamous cases of money laundering, that of the Bank of Credit and Commerce International. The BCCI, a major international bank founded by a Pakistani financier, was at the heart of a massive money laundering operation. But how did this work? Imagine a business, a legitimate one, say a car dealership. Now, suppose this dealership starts selling cars not to individuals but to fictitious buyers. These transactions, although non-existent, are recorded as legitimate sales, inflating the company's revenue on paper. The extra money, which is actually the illicit funds, is now seemingly clean, having been earned from these phantom car sales. This is exactly what BCCI did, on a global scale, with billions of dollars. The bank created fake companies and conducted fictitious trade transactions to legitimize the illegal money. This money, once cleaned, was then sent to various banks across the world, making it nearly impossible to trace back to its illegal source. The bank's wide-reaching network across 78 countries further complicated this traceability. But like all things built on deceit, the BCCI's house of cards eventually crumbled. In 1991, the bank was found guilty of money laundering and numerous other financial crimes. This led to its inevitable collapse and served as a stark reminder of the devastating effects of money laundering on the global economy. So, what have we learned today? Money laundering is a complex process that involves disguising the origins of illegal money to make it appear legal. It often involves a series of transactions that confuse the paper trail, making the money hard to trace back to its original illicit source. The case of the BCCI is a prime example of how money laundering operates on a grand scale, involving fake companies and fictitious transactions. Remember, money laundering is not just a crime, but a threat to the global economy. Its effects are far-reaching, destabilizing economies and enabling further criminal activities. It's a grim reminder that not all that glitters is gold, and behind seemingly successful businesses, there could be a dark underbelly of illegal activities. So the next time you hear of a business that seems too successful, too quickly, ask yourself this: is it a stroke of genius or a smokescreen for something more sinister?